As you know that we some already about have discussed like the Interpol is that means that the government connected in the government when the offense is committed at the international level. Today we will discuss international cooperation. The federal government may upon receipt of a request through the design agency under this act extend such a cooperation to any foreign government 24 hours multiplied 7 network, any foreign agency or any international organization or agency for the purpose of investigation proceeding connecting offense related to information system, electronic communication or data for the collection of evidence in electronic form relating to offense, obtaining expeditious expeditious preservation and disclosure of the data by means of information system or real me collection of the data associated with the specific communication or interception of data under this act. The federal government may forward the section 39 subsection 2 defines that federal government may forward to the foreign government 24 multiplied 7 network and foreign agency any international agency organization information obtained from its own investigation if it's consider that the disclosures of such information might assist the other government agency or organization etc as case may be initiating as a carrying out the investigation proceedings and enforcing the offences under this act. The federal government shall require the foreign government 24 multiplied 7 networks, any foreign agency and the international organization or agency to keep information provided the confidential as it is the strictly its purpose is to provide it. Section 39 subsection 4 defines the federal government may through the design agency send answer and request to the mutual assistance to execution of the such request of the transmission to authorities to the complaint for execution. The federal government may refuse. Section 39 subsection 5 defines the federal government may refuse to accede any request made by the foreign government 24 multiplied 7 networks may foreign agency any international organization agency if subclause A defines it is the opinion that the request to grant it would be prejudice sovereignty, security, public order, other essential public interest of the Pakistan. Subclause 2 defines the offence is registered by the federal government as a being of the political nature. Clause 3 defines that are substantial grounds for the believing that request for the assistance has been made for the purpose of the prosecuting as a person account of the person's race, sex, religion, nationality, ethnic origin, or public opinions, or that the person's punished may be prejudiced or may be induced reasons. And clause D defines the request relates to an offense that the prosecution of which requires the state and that amplifies the laws of Pakistan. And clause E defines the assistance request the federal government to carry out compulsory measures that may be inconsistent with laws and practices of Pakistan had offence been subject investigation or prosecution under this own jurisdiction or clause F defines the request of the consent offence which may be prejudice ongoing investigation trial or rights citizens granted under this constitution. And G defines subsection 6 defines where the federal government decide to provide requested corporation the relevant requirements and safeguard provide under this act rules framed therefore they shall be followed. And G defines subclause G defines the design agency shall maintain a register of request received from any foreign government 24/7 network, any foreign agency or any international organization agency under this act undertake thereon. These are the international cooperation in the cybercrimes about the cybercrimes and when it's committed at international level.